Hello and welcome to Pacbrake's install video series. Today we will be installing a HP10311 amp air spring kit on a 2013 Toyota Tacoma. The installation of this kit is applicable to all 2005 to 2018 Toyota Tacoma in 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. The estimated install time for this kit is around 1 hour, but you may be able to complete it much quicker depending on your mechanical experience. Please read the install manual that came with your kit carefully before conducting the installation, as this video is by no means a replacement to the manual. You can find your install manual and more at pacbrake.com/HP10311. Let's get started. Before we begin the installation, we will assemble the air spring. Fasten the NBT air fittings, place the roll plate, then fasten the top bracket with the included countersunk screws. Torque the screws to 20 foot-pounds. On the bottom side, place the roll plate and fasten the bottom bracket with the included flat washers and hex bolts. Torque the bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Pay attention to the orientation of the bracket to ensure that it is assembled correctly. Fasten the frame bracket to the top bracket as shown using the included hex bolt, flat washers, and nylon locking nuts. Torque the bolts to 30 foot-pounds. The first step to the installation is to park your vehicle on a level surface, raising and supporting the rear axle onto 2 jack stands and removing the rear wheels. Remove both bump stops by sawing it off. In this installation vehicle, we have already done this step as it had the amp air spring kit previously installed. Next, raise the truck frame by jacking on the tow hitch to create more clearance for installing both the air springs. Ensure the bottom bracket is seated centered on the axle. Lower the truck frame just enough to close the gap between the top bracket and the frame. Loosely fasten the included frame bolt, flat washers, and nylon locking nut through the frame and frame bracket as shown. Insert the J-bolts to the top bracket and fasten them with the included flat washers and nylon locking nuts. Torque the frame bolt to 80 foot-pounds. Insert the carriage bolts to the bottom bracket and tighten the clamp bars with the included washers and nylon locking nuts. To install the heat shield, bend the tabs as shown. Attach the heat shield to the exhaust pipe by using the hose clamps to secure the bent tabs. Install the air line to the vehicle through the license plate mounting holes. Sandwich the Schrader valve by using the included hex nut and flat washers and route the air lines to the air springs. Perform a leak test to ensure the air fitting is fastened airtight. Inflate the air spring and spray soapy water over the fitting and observe no bubbling occurs. In this demonstration, if bubbling occurs, tighten the air fitting until the bubbling stops and wipe the area dry. Spray soapy water again to ensure it is airtight. Congratulations! You've just completed the install of your amp air spring kit. If you have questions or concerns, please contact Pacbrake at 1-800-663-0096 to talk to one of our qualified customer support team reps, or visit our website at www.pacbrake.com, which has all the technical support you'll need. Don't forget to register your warranty with us to take advantage of the lifetime warranty on your air springs. For your additional air needs, you can also upgrade your system with amp air springs control, air compressors, or air tanks. To stay up to date on all Pacbrake products, like and subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching.